Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ram 1500 headlights are probably one of the most important safety features of your truck, ensuring you see and are seen on the road, especially during night driving or in poor weather conditions. This video will cover everything you need to know about choosing the right headlights for your 2016 Ram 1500. From understanding the different types available to making the best decision for your needs and budget, covering brightness, durability, and ease of installation. Number 5. DWVO Ram Headlight Assembly. It fits 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2010 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500-3500, and 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 Classic. Please ensure your vehicle has factory quad-style halogen headlights. It's not compatible with projector LED headlights. High beam is 9005, low beam is H11, bulbs are sold separately. These headlights offer improved illumination. The metallized reflectors increase light distance, giving you better visibility and safer driving, especially in low light conditions. You can also adjust the beam angle. They're fully sealed to keep moisture out. This means they'll perform reliably in rain, snow, or dust storms, providing long-lasting performance. Durable polycarbonate lenses and a high-impact housing protect them from road debris and impacts. They can even withstand the bumps and vibrations of off-road driving. They're a direct replacement for your old headlights. While it's a straightforward swap, professional installation is recommended. The package includes both the driver and passenger side units. What we like. This headlight boasts a fully sealed structure, ensuring it withstands harsh weather. Its durable construction resists damage from road debris. If you prioritize long-lasting performance and enhanced visibility in challenging conditions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The housings fit my 2011 Ram as good as the OEM housings. I must say, the new fresh clean look of the lenses on these housing makes my Ram look fresh. These are a really nice upgrade to any old truck. My old headlights were burned and faded badly after sitting in the Arizona sun for 17 years. These new headlights aren't Mopar OE, but I don't care, they look and feel like they are. Installation took all of 5 minutes. I've never replaced headlights so easily. Everything packaged well and parts were good. These headlights made our truck look years newer. Number 4. AUTOSAVER88 Ram Headlights. These headlights are compatible with 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models, as well as 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 Classics. They're designed for quad-style halogen headlights only. Please check your vehicle's headlights before purchasing. Completely sealed with silicone and one-way vents, it prevents moisture from entering. This ensures they'll withstand various weather conditions without corrosion or damage. The metallic parabolic reflectors produce a broader, smoother beam of light. This means better visibility and safer night driving. With side microprism reflectors, they increase your visibility to other drivers and pedestrians. This added safety feature helps protect you and others on the road. They're built with a polycarbonate lens and tough housing, making them highly resistant to shocks and vibrations. While durable, professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. Please note that bulbs are not included. They use 9005 high beam and H11 low beam bulbs. Remember to purchase the correct bulbs separately. What we like. These headlights offer superior brightness for improved nighttime visibility. The waterproof design ensures reliable performance in any weather. If you're looking for enhanced safety and brighter illumination, this option is ideal for you. What people say. They look very nice on my truck. Easy to install. Bought high and low beam lights for it. I like how lights light up going in circle. Love the compounding lights. Bought another set before these that were similar, but they didn't fit. Got these as a replacement and I love them. The ease of installation was simple, the look functionality is amazing, a great value for the money. They fit great. And also are better than the other ones I tried. Brackets are better. Number 3. AmeriLite Dodge Ram Headlights. Upgrade your Dodge Ram's look and visibility with these premium headlights. They're designed for a seamless, direct fit and offer superior illumination. These headlights are compatible with various Dodge Ram models, including the 1500, 2500, and 3500. They work with both projector and non-projector headlight housings. Experience the unique style of switchback LED parking and turn signals. They add a modern touch and enhance safety. These headlights meet or exceed all US and Canadian safety regulations, ensuring legal and safe use on the road. Installation is straightforward, it's a direct OEM replacement. Plus, they come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. These headlights are manufactured in Taiwan, known for its high-quality automotive parts. Enjoy superior craftsmanship and durability. Transform your Dodge Ram's appearance and driving experience. Order your AmeriLite headlights now. What we like. Upgrade your Ram 1500's look and functionality with these stylish switchback LED headlights. They are compatible with all models, offering a seamless upgrade. If you want a modern look and improved lighting, these are for you. What people say. Came with extra harnesses, I'm assuming for older models. I have a 2014 Dodge Ram Laramie 4x4. Easy plug and play. The daytime running LEDs are a nice touch. And allow the truck to stand out a little more. The headlights were packed quite well. 2014 Ram 1500 Express, quad-style lights from the factory. These were direct plug and play. Units installed very easy, and adjustment screws lined up correctly on vehicle. Adjusted very easily. Headlights easy to install, just plug and play, comes with adapter harness which I didn't use, it was easier to use old harness. Bulbs it came with seem to be decent quality, will replace later on down the road when necessary. Number 2. Modifystreet Ram Crystal Headlights. Upgrade your Ram truck's look with these stunning crystal headlights. They're a perfect blend of style and performance, transforming your ride's appearance. These headlights boast a sophisticated polished black finish that complements any Ram truck. It's a subtle yet impactful upgrade that will turn heads. Designed specifically for 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500-3500 models with dual or quad headlights. They ensure a seamless and precise fit. Installation is straightforward, they're designed for a simple plug-and-play experience. No need for complex modifications or professional installation. These headlights meet all SAE and DOT safety standards, giving you peace of mind. They're rigorously tested to ensure superior quality and durability. You'll receive a pair of headlights, one for each side. Please note that bulbs are not included, reuse your existing bulbs or purchase new ones separately. What we like. These crystal headlights give your truck a sleek, modern look. They fit both dual and quad headlight models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you value style and safety, this is a great option for you. What people say. They look good. Seem well built. And give my truck a new look. LED looks great in them. These fit perfectly. The cheaper one do not sit flush with the fender and also left a gap. These fill in exactly like my OEM lights. Better dust cap as well. Caps have 3 prongs versus 2 for the other. Also, what was the biggest issue on the cheap lights was the fact that the low beam bulb would not lock in tight. The bulb just wiggled and of course it fell out and melted through the housing. There was no issues with bulb fitment on this set. They actually cast more light. You can clearly see the light spread when in use. They look fantastic and gave my Ram a refreshed look to boot. Fit great on 13 Ram 1500. After months of continued issues with headlight connector, I decided to cut the connector and hardwire to the harness. There have been 0 issues since then. In saying that they do not leak, they look amazing and you will not get better looking replacements for your Ram. Number 1. AUTOZENSATION Dodge Ram Headlights. Give your Dodge Ram a dramatic new look. These headlights are a direct replacement for a seamless upgrade. They're compatible with various Dodge Ram models from 2009 to 2024. Make sure to check if your truck has factory non-projector headlights. These headlights are made from durable polycarbonate, ensuring they won't yellow or cloud over time. They're built to last. Installation is straightforward, it's a direct bolt-on replacement. While modifications aren't usually needed, professional installation is always recommended. Rest assured, they meet all SAE and DOT safety standards. Drive with confidence and peace of mind. We stand behind our product. Enjoy our 30-day refund and 90-day exchange policy for your complete satisfaction. What we like. These headlights are made from high-quality, durable polycarbonate. They're easy to install, making for a quick upgrade. If you need a simple, reliable replacement that's easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. Seems quality and fit is perfect. They are a good-looking color upgrade to the factory and DOT-approved rare for aftermarket. Super easy to install, thought and pretty durable for what they are. Everything was plug and play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.